Hi guys, back for another video. I hope you had a great weekend. I know it was so beautiful out. Hopefully you got a chance to get outside and enjoy the sunshine. So I have two different activities for us to do today, and I think you're going to enjoy them. So for our first activity, I want us to learn this song. It is written a little bit differently than the last few that we've done. So part one is up here at the top all together. I do have a pink box around that one to help. Part two is here together with the green box, and then part three is around the blue box. Last week I had it in what's called score form, and I had 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It went down like that. This one is a little bit different. So that's what it looks like all together. Here's part one. Let me sing it for you 2 times. You join in on time 3. Everybody singing a song, everybody singing a song. Everybody sing all day long, everybody sing all day long. Everybody singing a song, everybody singing a song. Everybody sing all day long. Everybody sing all day long. Your turn. Everybody singing a song. Everybody singing a song. Everybody sing all day long. Everybody sing all day long. So it's kind of jazzy, it's upbeat. I love this one a lot. If you need to pause and rewind and practice part one again, please do. When you're ready, we'll move on to part two. So part two is what we call a counter melody. So it's not really a harmony because a harmony would be the same words most of the time, just on different notes. This part's totally different. Again, I'll sing it for you 2 times. You join in on time 3. Singing all together, singing just for joy, singing all together, every girl and boy, singing all together, singing just for joy, singing all together, every girl and boy, singing all together, singing just for joy, singing all together, every girl and boy. So for that part, the most challenging part is remembering all of these rests in between the words. Singing all together, singing just for joy. So when you're practicing it, do make sure you do those rests. So that's part two. If you need to, pause and rewind and practice part two again, go ahead. When you're ready, we'll move on to part three. Part three looks like it's shorter, but that's because we have a repeat sign at the end. The 2 lines and 2 dots tells us to go back to the beginning and repeat it. So for this one, we actually do that line twice, and that equals the same length as part 1 and part 2. Because it is repetitive, I'll just sing the line 2 times, and then you sing it with me 2 times. Bum, ba-dum, bum. Ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum. My turn again. Bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum. Your turn. Bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum. Repeat it again. Bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum. If we were in class, I would give you like rhythm sticks or maracas or something to play along with it. I'm just going to snap because I don't have any instruments at home. So if you need to repeat part three a couple times to get it, go ahead. When you're ready, we'll move on. So here's all three parts together. It is short, so we are going to do it 3 times, just like last week. So I'm not going to sing along this time because the volume, the balance was a little bit off. So I'm just going to click play. This time sing the pink part, part 1. That's this one right here.
Everybody singing a song, but everybody singing a song. Everybody sing all day long, but everybody sing all day long.
I think it sounds so cool together. I wish we were in class and we could have big groups doing all 3, but we're making it work. This time do part 2, which is green, and that's this one right here.
Everybody singing a song, but everybody singing a song. Everybody sing all day long, but everybody sing all day long.
Last time, do part 3, which is the blue. And remember, you're going to repeat it because of those repeat signs. That is this one right here.
Everybody singing a song, but everybody singing a song. Everybody sing all day long, but everybody sing all day long.
So if you have siblings or if your parents are willing, it would be really cool if you could teach them one of those parts and then do that all together. If we were in class, we could do something like first we do the pink part 1, then part 2, then part 3, then put it together. You could play with the form like that. If this is 1, 2, and 3, maybe you choose to do 1, then 3, then 2, then put it together. You can be as creative as you want with the form. If you're by yourself or if nobody wants to sing with you, just do what I did here and I just listened to the video 3 times and sang each part. That would be totally fine too. All right, our second activity is a hand clapping game. You guys have been sending me some really cool videos with you guys doing this, so I wanted to do another one. This is called A Sailor Went to Sea, and then the verses changed to be a little bit different. Let me sing verse 1 for you. You listen, please. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. If you notice, there's 2 types of seas there, S-E-A, like the big body of water, and S-E-E, meaning like you're looking. Now, on verse 2, we sing chop, chop, chop instead of see. It makes no sense, but that's part of the fun. Here's verse 2. A sailor went to chop, chop, chop to see what he could chop, but all that he could chop was the bottom of the deep blue chop. Then verse 3 is knee. Again, it makes no sense. That's fine. A sailor went to knee to see what he could knee, but all that he could knee was the bottom of the deep blue knee. Verse 4, tap, tap, tap. A sailor went to tap, tap, tap to see what he could tap, but all that he could tap was the bottom of the deep blue tap. I know it's a crazy little song, but I think it's so fun. So for our hand motions, first you're going to clap, then connect right hands, then clap, connect left hands, clap, and then together. The reason I have 3 stars here in our instructions is every verse, when our words change, the moves will change right there. The clap right, clap left, clap, that stays the same for every verse, but the stars will change. So for C, we go boom, boom, boom. Let's try it. Clap right, clap left, clap together. Repeat it. Right, left, boom, boom, boom. Right, left, boom, boom, boom. Right, left, boom, boom, boom. Let's do it with the song. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. I did slow it down, but if you have someone in your house that you're doing the hand clapping game with, you start at that slower tempo, then go a little faster each time. Now on chop, 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 you're going to chop your hands. A sailor went to chop, chop, chop to see what he could chop. But all that he could chop was the bottom of the deep blue chop. For knee, you're going to touch your knees. A sailor went to knee to see what he could knee. But all that he could knee was the bottom of the deep blue knee. And on tap, 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 tap. A sailor went to tap, tap, tap to see what he could tap. But all that he could tap was the bottom of the deep blue tap. I would love it if you could come up with your own instead of see or chop or knee or tap. See if you can come up with your own. Maybe elbows or swinging your arms. I'm sure you can come up with some really creative ones. And again, when I was practicing the hand clapping game just now, I did go a little bit slower. If you're ready for a challenge, you could speed the tempo back up like this. I'll do the C. A sailor went to sea to see what he could see. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. So if you're ready for your challenge, do that faster tempo. If you're not ready, that's totally fine too. That brings us to the end of our video. We will have one more video next week, so if you have any suggestions of what you would like to see, please do send me an email. Or if you have any pictures or videos of you doing today's activities, I would love to see them. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you soon.